No, it's a baby bird.
Oh, that shit was eaten. Oh, is that real?
Wait, what?
That shit was eaten. Is that real? It's not a joke?
No, this is not a prank. Why would I do a prank like this? We don't even do pranks.
That's crazy, guys.
I'll do it, babe.
No.
I'll go in there with you.
No.
Ooh! Zane, get down.
Like everything is about to attack me.
What's out?
Our entire backyard is like freaking out right now. Babe, babe, just use the broom. Now, look.
Man, I just don't like I can feel it through the broom.
How about I can brush it in?
I don't know.
Ah! Sorry. Go ahead.
So many feathers. Yeah. Is it like a baby bird? Yeah.
Motherfucker's like a young adult.
Not a young adult.
I just don't do dead animals.
Woo!
Oh, shit.
What happened?
I gotta pee.
What happened?
No.
Ricky! Dash me,
Ooh, what's that?
Oh!
Don't.
What? Oh!
Make sure it's out.
There's like a baby bird, like it's looking down from its
Woo! Go, Daddy.